Hey you guys, what's up? So I want to talk to you about the biggest Black Friday sale that I have ever seen in my life. Nova Beauty Fashion Nova, you guys. Everything on the site is 50 to 90% off. That's insane. I'm going to show you guys what I got and then we'll create a makeup look using the products. So head on over to novabeauty.com to shop. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is the bronze palette. This is an 8-color eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is so stunning. And here is what this eyeshadow palette looks like. So beautiful. So I have this smoky eyeshadow palette as well. You guys, these are so blendable, so pigmented. I use this one all the time, so I know I'm gonna love this one. I got the Luxe Faux Lashes in the style Viral Vixen. You guys, I have another pair of Nova Beauty lashes, and I'm so in love with them. They're so flirty, so fun, and so beautiful. So I know I'm gonna love these. And then I picked up the gel eyeliner in the shade To Be Honest. I am so in love with these gel liners, you guys. They go on so smoothly, so pigmented. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, this is like a dark, deep. Ooh, that's really pretty. A dark, deep, almost black, but like blue. That is so beautiful. Wow. I'm so super excited to create a look using these new Nova Beauty products. All of the Nova Beauty products are vegan, cruelty-free, and flattering on all skin tones, which is a definite plus. But before we do a makeup look trying out these new products, I want to show you something else that I got. While I was on the side, I was like, well, let me just look at the clothes a little bit. Maybe something will jump out at me. And you guys, I saw this hoodie and I was like, I've got to have that. It's so cute. My family and I don't really dress up for the holidays unless it's like New Year's Eve and I'm going out. But I thought this would be perfect for just lounging at the house with my family, eating a bunch of great food, getting fat, and watching holiday movies. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is even cuter in person. I love it. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love the fit. It's like not too bulky. It's just like the right perfect fit. I was a little scared that it was gonna be like too big. I got a size medium, but this fits perfect. I am in love. It is so adorable. It's got a little front pocket here, which I love. Keeps you nice and warm. And the inside is like insulated. It's like really warm. You know what? I'm going to jump back on there and see if I can find anything for New Year's Eve because I'm a singer in a band. We have a gig and I have nothing to wear. I know Fashion Nova will come through for me. Also the perfect time to shop for Christmas gifts. But I'll stop rambling about how amazing this sale is and let's jump into the makeup tutorial using Nova Beauty. All right, so starting this look off, I'm going to take frontin' and I am just going to kind of sketch out my cut crease. And then I'm going to take a very small brush and kind of blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful burnt orange and I am just going to further blend that out. All right, so now I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of Lover, which is like a super soft pink. And then we're gonna take Dream and I'm gonna put both of those shades right below my brow area. All right, so now I'm gonna take Hustle, which is this beautiful brown shimmer shade right here. And I'm just gonna place this towards the back of the eye on the lid area. I am also going to drop front and down to that area as well. Then I'm gonna go in with Lit, which is right here. A beautiful bronze shimmer. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Wow. A little bit went a long way with that. Wow, that is so pigmented and so gorgeous. And to finish off the lid area, I'm gonna go in with Drip, which is a super pretty goldish kind of shimmery shade. I'm so excited to use this one. Okay, so now I'm just lining my eye with that gel eyeliner in the shade To Be Honest. And then I'm taking Frontin' and that orange again and just placing that on my lower lash line area. Now it's time to do our lashes, and these are the Viral Vixen style of lashes by Nova Beauty. I am just going to apply these to my eye. They are so beautiful. I am in love. So flirty, so fun. Can't wait to see what these look like on the eye. I absolutely love how easy the Nova Beauty lashes are to apply. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using the Nova Beauty Nude #1 Snatched Lip Liner Pencil. And I just love how creamy and buttery these lip liners are. Next, I'm going in with Woe and Tone. These are the Nova Beauty lipsticks. I'm going to apply Woe to the outer corners of my lip area, and then Tone will go in the center. And here's the final look using all of the Nova Beauty products. You guys, be sure to go shop at novabeauty.com for Black Friday. Once again, everything on the site is 50% to 90% off. You can get your package overnight because the shipping is that fast. So go grab your products before they sell out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.